All right, a quick explanation of how to work with this Yo puedo that is on Google Slides this year. So the idea is that you keep track with everything that is there. Notice all of the units are in, but we are only looking at unit 1 right now. Each unit goes with 2 different slides. So the first slide is all of the goals that you should be able to accomplish before your assessments. Now remember, there are 3 different standards for our class, and the first one is PS1 interpersonal, and this semester it is speaking. So you should be able to ask spoken questions about technology use abroad, because our unit is technology, in Spanish, and answer spoken questions in Spanish about technology. Now, if you can do those things, notice you have the different colors that you're going to use to mark it. So if you're like, okay, I'm not there yet, and I know that's what I need to focus on, you're going to take the box, you're going to press the little paint bucket thingy, and then you're going to turn it to red. And then let's say you're like, but I'm pretty good at answering questions. You can do it on your own, but you want to check your notes frequently, so not quite 100%, then you can get that orange. So as you go through, you're just going to mark it based on you. And then this next one is PS2 interpretive. So that is going to be where we watch a video and then translate like vocab and interpret it into English. And then the last one is going to be PS3 presentational. And with this semester, that is writing. So that means you should be able to write in Spanish using correct grammar and all that about technology use and include cultural elements, which is going to lead you to the next page. There's also vocab checks. So once you can identify all or most all of the vocab words for each unit, you can give this a green box. So that would be if you mastered all the vocab on Quizlet Learn and you can identify them very easily, then give yourself a green check. Grammar, so grammar is just with the present tense. As we learn to conjugate and all of that, you will either mark that yes, you have it, or no, you need more practice. And then when I go through, I can see, okay, this person can't do this and it's all red here. Let's work on this particular thing. But this is your responsibility, so make sure you're filling it out. And then the second slide that goes with it is going to be cultural research. Now, each of our assessments for the writing and for the speaking, you are required to talk about something culturally. So it has to be from a Spanish-speaking country abroad. Now, in Spanish 1, if you had Spanish 1, that was a 4.0 topic. In Spanish 2, it is now a 2.0 requirement. So for each speaking and writing, you have to have some kind of cultural reference. So that could be as simple as en Cuba no tiene buen acceso al internet, right? Cuba doesn't have good access to internet. That's 2.0. 3.0 would to be give me more of the statistics or compare and contrast. And then a 4.0 would be like very specific cultural references and including as much detail as possible. So it is up to you to research those things, and then you can start typing here anything that you find. These are ideas, but these are the things that are going to get you that credit for the cultural reference. Okay, if there's any questions about the Yo Puedo, reach out.